Okay, I've been asked to do a tutorial on, let's say you've won an award in a contest on Singsnap, and the host or whoever has decided over time that they need to clear out their account wherever they're storing the banner, and then of course it disappears from your page. Well, the best way to get around that is to do what I do here, and that is, let's go to somewhere where I won an award once. So I'll open this up in a new window, and hopefully I'll have enough internet signal here for it to load. Okay, so I won an award here, and here it is up here somewhere. There it is. Excuse me. Now you can see that here, that was the coding I needed to put on my page if I was going to save it there. Well, I don't do that, and I recommend you don't either. What I do, I'm using Chrome, but the same sort of thing will happen with any other browser. If you right mouse click on the image itself, you'll see something that will be similar to Save Image As. So I'll click on that, and I've already saved this once previously, so we'll just go back here and do its original thing, and I know where it's going to go. It's going to go to the computer, a hard drive which I call Fred, and then a directory of one, and then a subdirectory of Singsnap stuff. So I'll just hit save, and because I've already got it, it'll overwrite. So on Google Chrome, I've got it down here so I can remember what it is. I now go to a window. No, I haven't got one open, so we'll create one here. Open a new tab, and we're going to go to www.photobucket, which is where I store mine, and I'll log in on the PhotoBucket. Eventually. At the moment I've got good signal, as you'll see here, full signal, but because I'm using an air card, I've got to compete with all the other monkeys around here that happen to be using the internet at the moment and using air cards that shouldn't be, because they've got a telephone line which I don't have. So we'll go to albums, all albums, and in a minute it'll load all of those, and I should have one here called awards. Here we go, awards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload that file down here to this account. So I hit upload. Excuse me. And in half an hour, when the internet allows me to, it'll come to here. I store mine on PhotoBucket. It's easy to get an account there. Just go to www, forget that bit, PhotoBucket. See how it's written there? photobucket.com, and then do whatever you got to do to log in and start an account there. So I'll use that. So now we're going to select a photo that we're going to upload, and we see down here what it's called. So I'm going to go ROCK, and guess what? There it is. So we're going to upload that, save. Now this is specifically what I do on PhotoBucket. It changes a little bit if you do on other sites. So this is where I store mine. So I go to view album, and there it is in that album. So that's fine. So I go down here, and I click on here. See, it says HTML code. That's what you want to store it on your site, and it automatically says copied when you click on it. See there? So now I go back here, and I'll go to my account. So I click on account, and it takes you back to this page. Now it's not a good example to use mine because it's a very cluttered page, but in here amongst where it says personal info, I go into that area there, and because mine's so busy, I've got a lot of stuff in there. and a lot of tables and all sorts of other stuff that I've put in there over time. And I'm not going to save this there because I need to make it a bit neater than what it really is. So the last one that I got was that one here. I happen to know. Now you need to paste it at the end of your list of in here, this area here, but before where it says that body and HTML. Okay. So now we're going to go up here. Now I happen to know that's where the last award was, and if you look here, it's got that part there. See this? That part there. In my case here is the same as this part here. So that's the next fresh area. You don't have to be that involved. So that coding that I got from over here, I now right click and paste into there. Okay. And then if I were to save that, which I won't, but I can preview and show you what it's going to look like. Yes, bring up a new window. This is what it would look like on my page. Down the bottom here, and there it is. Simple as that. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Please feel free to play this file through a number of times so that you get the gist of what's going on. If you want to send me any queries or further clarifications on this, just go to Andy_Rosser on Singsnap and send me a private message. I won't give my public email address here because I don't want everybody in the world that's access to this YouTube video to send me rubbish. Okay, now you have to be a member of Singsnap in order to send me a PM. Okay, that about does it. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope that assists you in your quest.